Welcome to Factful Finance. Have you ever wondered how banks and insurers really work, or how they impact your daily life? Let's break down the essentials of financial institutions so you can understand the key players that shape the world of money. Did you know that the global banking industry holds more than $150 trillion in assets? That's a huge chunk of the world's wealth, but many of us don't fully grasp how these institutions operate or what role they play in our financial well-being. Let's dive into it and shed some light on these powerful entities. Financial institutions come in various shapes and sizes, but the most well-known are banks and insurance companies. They all serve essential functions in the economy, from safeguarding your savings to providing loans and helping you manage risks. But how do they really work, and what makes them tick? First, let's talk about banks. Banks are the backbone of the financial system. They offer essential services such as savings accounts, checking accounts, and loans. When you deposit money in a bank, the bank doesn't just sit on it. They lend it out to others in the form of mortgages, car loans, and business loans. This process helps stimulate the economy, making money more accessible to individuals and businesses alike. In fact, for every dollar you deposit, banks can lend out more than 90 cents due to the fractional reserve system. But of course, they need to balance the risks carefully to ensure stability. Next, insurance companies are crucial players that protect individuals and businesses from financial risks. Whether it's health insurance, life insurance, or car insurance, these companies offer policies that help cover unexpected costs. They work by pooling premiums from many policyholders to pay for the claims of a few. It's a model that relies on statistical probability, ensuring that the premiums collected will cover the cost of claims and still generate a profit. For example, health insurers may collect monthly premiums from millions of people, but only pay out a fraction of that in healthcare expenses, while investing the rest to generate income. Beyond banks and insurers, there are also investment banks and credit unions, which offer more specialized services. Investment banks, for instance, focus on raising capital for companies, managing mergers and acquisitions, and trading securities. Credit unions, on the other hand, are member-owned financial institutions that offer many of the same services as banks, but tend to have lower fees and better interest rates. So why does it matter for you? Understanding how these institutions work can help you make smarter financial decisions. For example, when choosing between a bank and a credit union, understanding their different structures can help you pick the one that best suits your needs. Or, knowing how insurance companies calculate premiums can guide you to make better choices when buying a policy. Before we wrap up, a quick note. The information provided here is for educational purposes only. Always consult a professional before making any financial decisions tailored to your specific situation. Now let's get practical. You don't need to be a financial expert to understand how these institutions affect your daily life. If you're trying to grow your savings, look for banks with high-yield savings accounts, or consider credit unions for better rates. If you're planning for the future, insurance is a must. Consider term life insurance if you're looking for affordable coverage with good value. And when it comes to investing, learn the basics of how investment banks raise capital and consider diversifying your investments through trusted financial services. Here's a tip. Start by tracking your current banking and insurance products. Are you paying high fees at your bank? Is your insurance coverage up to date with your needs? Taking a closer look can often lead to significant savings. What's your experience with banks or insurers? Have you ever switched to a credit union for better rates or worked with an insurer to find a better deal? Share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing your insights. Thanks for tuning in to Factful Finance. If you found this information valuable, why not click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss out on more expert insights that can boost your financial literacy and help you make informed decisions. We've got plenty more coming your way. See you next time.